My name is Pepe. Come with me today on my home helper adventure.
Captain Pepe, would you like to help with a mission today?
What kind of mission?
What kind of mission? A home mission.
What is the mission level?
Level 2.
First step, organize. Why? Because organized things are easier to understand. Corners match. Edges straight. Mission complete.
Captain Pepe, I need another captain in the garden.
What is our objective?
Help the plants grow.
Mission accepted.
Here you go, Pepe.
Look, a ladybug.
Yes, it is.
The sunflower is thirsty.
Don't worry, Pepe. We'll give it some water.
1, 2, 3. The plant likes routines too. It's too loud.
You okay now, Captain?
Yes, I am okay now.
You helped our family today.
I completed 3 missions. I completed 3 missions today. I folded towels, helped in the garden, and saved a sunflower.